In this video, I'll teach you how to add a helper resource to a task where they will only work on part of the duration of that task. In Microsoft Project, it's entirely possible that you may want to assign a helper resource to a task where they'll only work on the second half of the task. It's possible to do this, but it requires a trick. And in this video, I'll teach you that trick. So let's get started. In this sample project, please notice I have Calvin Baker assigned to work on task A and Mickey Cobb assigned to work on task B. Notice task A is a 10-day duration task and task B is a 5-day duration task. My scheduling challenge is this. I need to add Mickey Cobb as a helper on task A, but only during the second week of the task because she has to finish her work on task B first. Here's how to meet this unusual scheduling need. First, I'll display the task entry view. And then in the bottom pane, I'll select Mickey Cobb to work full-time. When I click the OK button, Microsoft Project behaves as expected. It splits the 80 hours of work evenly between the two resources. However, that isn't the way the work will be performed. Calvin Baker will actually work 60 hours. That's 40 hours the first week and 20 hours the second week. Mickey Cobb will only work 20 hours during that second week. When I click the OK button, Microsoft Project shortens the duration to 7.5 days. The next step I need to do in this challenge is to schedule Mickey Cobb to begin her work during the second week of the task. Here's how to do that. I need to right-click anywhere in the task form pane and on the shortcut menu to choose the Schedule set of details. I need to delay Mickey Cobb 5 days, so I'll put in a delay of 5 days. And then notice when I click the OK button, Microsoft Project now has Calvin Baker assigned to work from the beginning of the task to the end, and notice that it has Mickey Cobb set up to work only during the second week of the task. That's how to meet this unusual scheduling challenge. Hey, thanks for watching my video. If you like the way that I taught you how to use this trick with Microsoft Project, maybe your company would be interested in hiring me to teach your project managers and/or schedulers to use Microsoft Project. If you're interested, please leave a comment in the comment section below and I'll get back to you right away. And as always, I'll see you in my next video.